The beautiful beginning. A long, long time ago, before there was anything, no sky, no land, no people, God had a wonderful plan. He wanted to create a beautiful world. On the first day, God said, "Let there be light." And light appeared. He called it day, and the darkness he called night. On the second day, God made the sky, big and blue, stretching far and wide. On the third day, he gathered the waters into seas and oceans and made dry land appear. Then he filled the earth with plants, trees, and flowers of every kind. On the fourth day, God made the sun, moon, and stars to shine in the sky, giving light during the day and night. On the fifth day, he created all the birds to fly in the sky and all the fish to swim in the sea. On the sixth day, God made animals big and small, wild and tame. Then, he made something very special, people. God created a man and a woman, Adam and Eve, in his own image, to take care of the world. On the seventh day, God looked at everything he had made. It was very good. So he rested and made this day holy. And that is how God created the beautiful world we live in. The end.